Hello children, you are welcome to Wisdom Tutors Academy. Today we'll be learning vowel sound, sound. Vowel sound, This is letter U. This is letter U. Letter U has this sound, sound, sound. Let's look at some words that begin with sound. As in up, as in us, as in umbrella, as in uncle, as in under, as in ugly, as in up, as in us, as in umbrella, as in uncle, as in under, as in ugly. Children, what letter is this? What letter is this? Letter U. This is letter U. Letter U says Letter U says up, us, umbrella, uncle, under, ugly. Up, us, umbrella, uncle, under, ugly. Again, up, us, umbrella, uncle, under, ugly. Can you repeat it one more time? Up, us, umbrella, uncle, under, ugly. Great children, keep practicing. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.